What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. What's going on, you guys? It is freezing here. Literally still freezing here in New York. Like, there's no spring yet. I think we're going to go straight into summer. Okay, you guys. I am ready to do this video because I was super excited to get this. This is the Patrickstarr collab with MAC, which I am wearing today on my eye. So I just wanted to show you guys and tell you guys a little bit about it before you go get your hands on it in case you wanted it or didn't want it. That's why I have no lipstick on, because I'm going to put the lipstick on with you guys. And I just want to show you a few things. Okay, so the box comes like this. Super pretty. Really pretty box. I did love that. I know packaging, like, you know, we get a little crazy with the packaging. Okay, so out of all the products, it comes wrapped like this individually. This is the palette. The palette is super cute, you know, like really cute. I would love to know where this is made, to be honest with you, because you guys know I'm always 100. I keep it 150 here. Okay, so here's the palette. Now I'm going to swatch some for you guys, and I don't know. I wanted it so bad, you guys. I absolutely love the packaging. I think it's beautiful. I got the purple one. I don't know if it's showing up as blue, but I did get the purple one. And then you also get this Patrickstarr. This is absolutely adorable. The packaging is cute. This is absolutely beautiful. Like, I love this. I'm wearing it. I don't know if you can still see it. Maybe it's faded. No, you can still see it. I can still see it right there. This is absolutely stunning. But the only thing I will tell you guys is, if you are darker than me, which most of you are going to be, this is not going to work on deep skin tones. I'm going to try this on my friend, and then I'm going to let you guys know when I do her makeup. But I have a feeling that this one, I don't know. Look, sorry, I got static all over the place. I don't know about this. I absolutely love it. I love it on me. And I also, let's see if we love the lipstick. Okay, so the packaging, you guys, honestly, it's just absolutely beautiful. I mean, they literally did an amazing job on the packaging. Now, let's see if this is worth, you know, $50, my friends. Hold on one second. I'm not going to put liner on. I'm just going to put the lipstick on. I'm so sorry. You guys know my videos are so not professional. I just keep it real, and I don't edit. So that is why you're hearing my phone. Okay, so this color I'm not used to. You guys know that I like really bold, loud, beautiful colors. You know what I'm saying? But I will tell you, this color is stunning. I do love it. It's not a color like I would go in the store and pick out, but it's absolutely, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So that is the color right there. So I'm very impressed with the lipstick. Now let's see the lip gloss. I really can't get over the packaging. I think it's super cute. MAC, it just smells like regular MAC. And here's the lip gloss. I'm not using a liner or anything, you guys, because this is just like a natural lip for me, which I normally don't wear. Maybe I should wear it. But the only reason why I really don't wear natural, I don't know. Sometimes I don't feel like I look good in natural, but I absolutely do love this color. Alright, so I'm going to swatch the palette for you guys. Out of the whole set, this, and this is my favorite. The lipstick is really nice. The lip gloss is really nice. The compact is absolutely beautiful. I'm Not Blushing is the one I got, which is really beautiful. Maybe the other one is going to be okay. It's going to be like darker. I didn't check that out because you really can't. Where I went to get it at Ulta, you can't swatch them or anything. So that's the only downside of that. Now the palette, I will tell you this. I'm just honest. This color right here, it doesn't do anything, you guys. Like, I'm swatching it, okay? And it's right there. It does not pick up a lot of color. You know, like, you actually really have to work with it to get the purple. Here's the second color, which is a nice color. But you see how light it is? Like, and I'm going in there, you guys. Like, I'm going in. So if you are getting this for the palette, I don't recommend it. I don't. Like, look at the swatch on that purple. And like I always say, swatches are not great on the hand, you guys, no matter what. It doesn't matter. Let me do it on my hand over here. This is the purple that I was most excited for. But do you see how chunky and it just flakes away? There is a lot of fallout with this. I am not going to lie. Listen. And then here's the deeper one, which is really nice. You could build it up. But you could see the greens. Like, you could see, like, it's... How do I say this? I feel bad because I love when anybody collabs. Like, I think it's great. I think they come out with amazing products. And I'm so happy for people when they're able to do this. But I tell you straight up how it is. I'm, like, really not a fan of the eyeshadow palette at all. To me, this was a letdown. Back in the day, you guys, I used to love MAC. MAC was like the place to go. I love their products. Don't get me wrong. They still have really good products. I think they're pretty amazing. But if you're going to get this just because of this palette, I would pass on it. 100%. But if you're going to get it because you like these 3 products right here for $50, then it's worth it. But if you have your Ulta coupon for 20%, I paid $40. So I'm like, okay, should I keep it? Should I not keep it? I mean, the packaging is nice. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a little flimsy. I'm not going to lie. But in order to even get the purple that is on my eyes now, I had to go in with the Makeup Forever. And I had to use a drop of this, right? So I took a drop of this, mixed it. Let me show you this. Mix this purple with my eyeshadow in order for the eyeshadow even to stay on. You guys, I know I feel bad when, you know what, I do a review and it's not a great one and, you know, I'm sure, you know, whatever. I just don't want any, like, hater comments about this because, you know what, some people may love it, some people may hate it, some people may think it's okay. For me, $50 is a lot of money, you guys. I work my ass off to buy my stuff. This is not sent to me. I don't get products sent to me like this. So for me, even if I did, my opinions are always 100% real. I'm just honest. That's just how we roll here. And I don't know. Would I recommend this for $50? Okay, you could say 10, 20, 30, 40. This is probably like worth 40. I would say if they did this kit for $35, it'd be a home run. But for 50 bucks, I don't think I would recommend it. Like I said, you guys, it's totally up to you guys what you want to do. I'm very excited for him. I think it's absolutely great. It is. It's really, really cute. This is my favorite part of it, though. Like, this is absolutely beautiful. So, will I keep it? I will keep it only because of the fact that I paid $40 for it, you know, and I do like 3 of the products out of the 4. But I was so excited for this, you guys, because my favorite color is purple. And I got to tell you, I was very, very disappointed in the palette. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have it. Let me know if you were going to get it. For the price, like, I think I would have rather have gotten, to be honest with you, Kim Kardashian's palette, which I didn't get, which I wanted to get. And I was like, should I, shouldn't I? So I'm unsure. Let me know if you guys think I should keep this or not. I'm basically keeping it for this because I rarely wear nude lips and regular lipstick because I like matte, strong liquid lips. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, that's what I absolutely love. So you guys, that is it for my review. I'm totally honest with you guys. Let me see if I could take a little bit of purple over here and show you guys because it's just not like, it's like muddy, you know, and like even when you still blend it out, it's not what you think it is. You see, it's still like I have fallout, literally fallout. And in order to get like a purple look, I had to use this. Unless you're gonna keep sitting there and building it up and building it up and building it up and wetting, I think that's the only way. Like the way he looks when he had his makeup on using this palette, I find it very hard to believe that this is all they used. Unless they put a ton on it, you guys. I feel like they had to put something else down. Some kind of like maybe white base or something to bring it out. But you are not going to achieve that look just with this palette. I don't think so anyway. But that's just my opinion, you guys. That is my opinion. And what else? Oh, I have a big haul to show you guys from iMatch. So that's coming up soon. Real fast, I wanted to show you these because I got this set, this Sonia Kashmir brush set on sale. I'm not really a big fan of the handle, but I got it for $12 and you're getting 10 brushes. That's frigging an amazing deal. Really amazing deal. So let me know what you guys think about the Patrickstarr collab with MAC. I heard the setting powder was amazing. I did not buy it because I have so much stuff, and that's why I'm like, should I keep it? Should I not keep it? I want to know what your guys' thoughts are, and maybe I'll decide after that. So you guys, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure, don't forget to enter our amazing giveaway that is going on right now. I gotta go because I got some stuff to do. Today's my day off, but I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know which one you were going to get, the purple or the blue, or if you're getting it or you're not getting it. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Don't forget to leave your comments below and enter the giveaway. So I have lipstick on my teeth. Like, tell me I'm talking this whole time with lipstick on my teeth. But what do you guys think of me in a new lip? I don't know. Let me take a selfie now. Let's see if this is good or bad. Like, all right, you guys know, can't take a selfie. Because I'm still filming you guys on boxes. After all these years, I'm still filming on boxes. I have no remote control. This is like a bootleg video. What can I tell you? All right, my friends, peace out. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.